Hi ladies, happy Sunday to you all. Today I'm doing a video how to make your hair grow. But I saw a video and I'm using the same ingredients to make your hair grow 5 inches overnight. So you need 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. So I've got a bowl there and a spoon here, teaspoon, and a fork to mix it. And you leave this on for half an hour. Then, once you've applied the stuff on your hair, then you use this bag to wrap it round. That's teaspoons done. Then there's your fork and you start mixing it. Then I'm going to start to take it bit by bit, then start applying into the roots. Then if you run out of the stuff, then you're entitled to go down and get some more. So apply it in, massage, so because olive oil makes your hair grow and thicken and softens it apparently. It's really keeping your hair healthy. Then you massage your hair round as you apply it on. But I suggest do this 3 times a week and leave on for 30 minutes. Rub your hands together to make sure you don't get it everywhere.